तारीख को जो सेकेंड ईयर फीमेल रेजिडेंट आरजीकर मेडिकल कॉलेज एंड हॉस्पिटल में जो हादसा हुआ है उसके लिए ये क्राउड इकट्ठा हुई है। डॉक्टर्स आए यहाँ पर।
तो डिमांड क्या है आप लोगों का?
डिमांड है हमारी, क्या बोलते हैं, ट्रांसपेरेंट इन्वेस्टिगेशन होनी चाहिए और सेंट्रल पॉलिसीज एक्ट होनी चाहिए इसके अगेंस्ट, और क्या बोलते हैं, रेजिग्नेशन होना चाहिए जो ऑफिशियल रिस्पॉन्सिबल है हमारी टीम।
कब तक चलेगा ये?
5 बजे तक आज।
तो रैली क्या निकले?
I'm a general surgery resident doctor in AGMC. We stand united with our nation and our entire medical fraternity in this. We are really shocked, and it is such a grave crime which has been created. So we also want that the center should look into it, and the demands which have been put forward in the entire nation, like enactment of the Central Protection Act, transparent investigation in the entire incident which had happened there, and also the resignation of the responsible officials, which is the demand. We stand united with the college and the nation in this act. It is highly unacceptable, and we are really disappointed as doctors of this country.
Madam, your good name?
Dr. Shabana.
Thank you.